Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Discord OAuth for mobile authentication, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a new application in the Discord developer portal. Visit the Discord developer portal at discord.com/developers/applications. Log in with your Discord account credentials. Click on the New Application button to create your application. Give your application a name that reflects its purpose. Once created, navigate to the OAuth 2 tab on the left side. Under the Scopes section, select the bot and identify scopes. In the OAuth 2 URL generator, check the box beside bot to get a token for your application. Scroll down to the OAuth 2 URL section and copy the generated URL. Open your mobile development environment or code editor. Choose your preferred library for handling OAuth 2, such as OAuth 2 for Swift or Android. Configure the library to handle the authentication process with Discord. Paste the previously copied Discord OAuth 2 URL into your redirect URI settings. Use the authorization code flow for obtaining an access token. Direct users to the OAuth 2 URL when they want to log in via Discord. After logging in, users will be redirected to your specified URI. Capture the authorization code from the redirect. Exchange this code for an access token by making a POST request to Discord's API. Include your client ID, client secret, and redirect URI in this request. Once you receive the access token, securely store it on the mobile device. Now you can use the access token to interact with Discord's API on behalf of the user. Implement token expiration handling to refresh tokens when necessary. Test the entire authentication flow to ensure it works as expected. With this setup, your mobile application is now ready for Discord OAuth authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.